Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to hide your album on iOS. First, we need to get to the Photos app. It should be right here, but if you can't find it, just scroll all the way to the right, click on App Library and go to Photos, just like this. I already chose my photo that I want to hide. You just have to find it yourself. Click on these three dots, click hide photos. Now you can still go to the hidden folder, but if you don't want anyone to see it, all you need to do is go to App Library again, write Settings, open them up, then go to the apps, then click on the search icon, write Photos, scroll down, there it is, show hidden album. Now we're just gonna turn it off, and look, once we go to Photos, it's not here. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye.